Hello everyone. Today we are going to start parts of speech in grammar. Now, what do you mean by speech? We all speak, right? In our day to day life, we speak many sentences. Now, the sentences that we speak is known as speech, our speech. Now, there are many parts of that speech. Today we are going to learn about them. Now, here are some of the sentences given in your textbook. Rishabh ate a sandwich, right? We also sometimes tell for our friend that Rishabh ate a sandwich. Now, here, Rishabh and sandwich are nouns. The same way, Himanshi and Karan walked to school. Now, walk is a verb. It was a rainy day. Rainy, adjective. The bell rang loudly. Loudly, adverb. We are waiting at the restaurant. At, preposition. Will you wear a hat or take an umbrella or is a conjunction. You, oh, it looks like it is going to rain. U and O are interjection. Now, what are these? Noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, injection, interjection. These are the 8 parts of speech. Now, we are going to learn them in detail. Noun. A noun is a word that tells us the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Like, if you see name of a person, it can be Shalini, Rishabh, Himanshi, Karan, etc. Name of an animal, cow, dog, goat, lion, tiger, giraffe, etc. Place, Delhi, Mumbai, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir, Kanyakumari, Navsari, anything. And thing like sandwich, noodles, then it can be car, bus. So, and even a profession like I am a teacher. So, teacher is a noun. Policeman, fireman, wireman, these all are nouns. And even places like school, garden, police station, these are also nouns. Verb. A verb is a word that is used to describe an action, state, or position. Like the taxi is waiting at the door. Now, what the taxi is doing? It is waiting. Verb is also known as action word, because it shows the action that is going on. Like I am teaching. So, am teaching is a verb. He is going. Is a verb. My mother is cooking. So, what is the verb? Is cooking. My father is coming from office. Now, what is the verb? Is coming. Clear? A pronoun. Now, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Like sometimes when we are talking about somebody. Here it is given, this is Ravi, he is my brother. So let's now talk about Ravi. He is Ravi, he is my brother, he is 5 years old. Now every time we cannot see, this is Ravi, Ravi is my brother, Ravi is 5 years old, Ravi studies in senior KG. We cannot tell every time Ravi, right? So instead of Ravi, we are using he. So he is known as a pronoun. The word that is used in the place of noun. Here in the place of Ravi we are using he. So he is the pronoun. An adjective. is a word that describes a noun. We have a beautiful rug. Now here what is the noun? Noun is rug. And how the rug is beautiful. So beautiful is adjective. Like you can tell, I have a very big bag. Now what is the noun? Bag. How is the bag? It is very big. So big is the adjective. She is very beautiful. How is she? Beautiful. So here adjective is beautiful. Understood everyone? Then adverb. Adverb is a word that describes a verb, phrase or adjective. Like the woman sang sweetly. Now, how the woman sang sweetly? My mother cooked deliciously. Right? She speaks sweetly. She dances nicely. So these words are adjective. A preposition. Now what is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun and a pronoun. Like they keep the toys in the bag. Now where they are keeping the toys? In the bag. The cat is on the table. So in, on, I am in the house. Right? Conjunction. It is a word that is used to join a group of words. Now, sometimes we have to tell, right? I want book and pen. Whether you give me book or pen. I want chapati and rice, both. So here and is joining chapati and rice, or is joining book or pen. Same way, here and or, they are conjunctions. The word that joins two words is known as conjunction. An interjection is a word used to show sudden motion or expression. It is usually followed by an exclamation mark. Now every word that is written before exclamation mark is known as interjection. Now here there is exercise for everyone. Identify the noun, adjective and pronoun and write them in the correct column. Like he brought fresh apples. So here apples is noun, adjective is fresh and pronoun is he. The music was very loud. Here noun is music. Adjective is loud. There is no pronoun. Maria is inviting her friend to the picnic. Now, Maria is noun. Inviting is adjective and her is pronoun. He is playing happily in the garden. Here, he is pronoun, garden is noun and no adjective. Mayur is unwell. We gave him some soup. Here, Mayur and soup is noun. We is pronoun and unwell is adjective. The gardener is busy. Gardener is noun. Busy is adjective and no pronoun. The boat sailed down the river. Now here boat and river are noun. Down is adjective and no pronoun. Kashish has found her pen. Kashish is noun. Pen is also noun. Her is pronoun. Same way, there are many sentences, but I will be sending you the solution for this in your worksheets. You no need to worry, but this was just an example how you have to identify. Now identify the verbs, adverbs and prepositions. The boy lay on the bed lazily. Here lazily is adverb, lay is verb and preposition is on. The fishermen were busy during the day. Busy is adverb. They waited for the train eagerly. For is preposition, waited is adverb. The principal's office is on the third floor. Here on is preposition. Same way, there are many more sentences, but same like exercise A, I will be sending you the solution for exercise B. Now see, here you have to find conjunctions and interjections. Remember, interjection is the word that is before exclamation mark, and conjunction is that joins two word or two sentences like but, then wait is an interjection, but is again a conjunction, then here because is a conjunction, then oh no is interjection, hush is interjection. So the same way we have completed till exercise 3. I will be sending you the solution for this, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me your queries. Okay everyone, bye, take care.